Hi students, welcome back to science class. Today we are dealing with the new chapter, circulation. So blood circulates all our body. So the first topic is related to blood. You know what is blood? A fluid that flows through the blood vessels. And you know what is the main function of blood? Its main function is transportation. Teacher will write here, transportation. Transportation. What they transport is they transport digested food from small intestines to different parts of the body. They transport waste removal from the whole parts of the body, and they also transport oxygen from lungs to different parts of the body. So the main function of the blood is transportation. And the next topic is about the components, different components of the blood. It consists of RBC, red blood cells, WBC, then platelets. That is RBC known as red blood cells, which contain a red pigment known as hemoglobin, which binds with oxygen, and oxygen is carried to different parts of the body with the hemoglobin. And the next one is WBC. You heard about WBC? White blood cells. It kills the germs. It fights against the germs that may enter our body. The next one is platelets. Have you ever seen when you wound on your leg or anything, after sometimes blood clot there? With the presence of these platelets only, the blood is clotted. The next one is, we are going to study about blood vessels. Blood vessels consist of arteries. First one is arteries. Then veins. Then one more is the capillaries. So first we can learn about arteries. The main blood vessel. The first one is arteries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from heart to different parts of the body. And veins carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from different parts of the body to the heart. The main function of arteries and veins. So we can look at what is the function of capillaries and all by seeing a schematic diagram. And we can learn about what is the function of pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. Here we can see the schematic diagram of the circulation of a human body. Here, you know the function of arteries and veins. Artery take oxygen-rich blood from heart to different parts of the body. From the tissues, when the arteries reach the tissues, it is again divided into fine tubes. It is known as capillaries. And from here, from the tissues, carbon dioxide-rich blood is taken by the vein to the heart. And here we can see the lungs. This part is known as the lungs. From the lungs, oxygen-rich blood is taken by the pulmonary vein to the heart. And from the heart, carbon dioxide-rich blood is taken to the lungs. This is by pulmonary artery. So you have to understand what is the function of pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. Pulmonary artery's function is just opposite to the function of the artery. Artery carry oxygen-rich blood from heart to different parts of the body. But pulmonary artery carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from heart to the lungs. So the veins that transport between lungs and heart is pulmonary vein and pulmonary artery. So that much only today's class. So you have to remember about the main function of blood, the components of blood, blood vessels, arteries, veins, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, capillaries and all. Thank you all of you for listening to the video.
Blood vessels. As blood is a fluid tissue, it requires vessels to move in the body. Blood moves in the body through blood vessels. There are two types of blood vessels, arteries and veins. Arteries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from heart to various parts of the body. They have thick and elastic walls as the blood flowing through arteries has high pressure. Valves are absent. Pulmonary arteries carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from the heart to the lungs. Veins. Veins carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from the various parts of the body to heart. They have thin walls. Veins have valves which present the backward flow of blood. Pulmonary veins carry oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the heart. Capillaries. Arteries divide into smaller vessels. These, on reaching the tissues, further divide into thin tubes. These tubes are called capillaries. Capillaries join to form veins. Pulse and pulse rate. Place your index finger on your right hand on the inner side of your wrist. Can you feel some movements? This is called pulse. Pulse is felt due to the blood rushing in the arteries. The number of beats per second is called the pulse rate.